In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer credit from one customer to another customer in QuickBooks Online. Sometimes a customer has an unused credit memo or an overpayment on their account, and you need to move that credit to a different customer. QuickBooks Online doesn't have a direct transfer credit button, so we'll use a simple two-part process. First, we'll create a journal entry, and then we'll apply that entry to each customer to clear and reassign the credit. Let's start with the journal entry. In QuickBooks Online, go to the plus New or plus Create button and choose Journal Entry. At the top, enter the date of the transfer. It's usually best to use the date you actually want this movement of credit to show on your reports, such as the date you agreed to move the credit between customers. On the first line of the journal entry, choose Accounts Receivable or AR in the Account field. Enter a debit for the amount of credit you're transferring, and in the Name or Customer column, select the customer the credit is coming from. This step reduces that customer's credit by moving it out of their account. On the second line, again choose Accounts Receivable as the account, but this time enter the same amount as a credit. In the Name or Customer column on this line, select the customer you want the credit to go to. This adds the credit to the new customer's account. Make sure the debit and credit amounts match exactly so the journal entry is balanced, then select Save to record it. Now that the journal entry is created, we need to apply it to each customer so their balances are cleared correctly. First, apply it for the customer the credit was transferred from. Go back to the plus New or plus Create button and choose Receive Payment. Select the customer whose credit you're moving away from. In the list of open transactions, check both the journal entry you just created and the original credit memo or overpayment. By selecting both, you're effectively matching the journal entry against that existing credit. Once those are checked, choose Save and Close. Next, apply it for the customer the credit was transferred to. Again, choose Receive Payment from the plus New or plus Create menu. Select the customer who is receiving the credit. In the transaction list, check the appropriate invoice if there is one, and then check the journal entry listed under credits. In the payment column, enter the amount of the credit you want to apply. This applies the transferred credit to their balance or invoice. When everything looks correct, select Save and Close. After these steps, the original customer's credit is cleared, and the new customer now has that credit correctly applied in QuickBooks Online.